Alright, my people, today's day one on Project Black Demon. Alright, we're turning Black Betty into a demon. If you've seen my recent videos, guys, we're getting ready for a reveal of our company projects. So this is project number one. Going forward, you're gonna see a lot of time-lapse video. Just so that you can see this is all hands-on, guys. First thing we gotta do is get her up on the jack stand. So check out the difference from the stock fender and the new shorty fender that we're putting on there. See that? Big difference. So first obstacle, this kit, yes, it fits exactly right, but I only got bolts for the back fender, meaning I'm going to have to reuse the stock bolts, but I'm gonna have to find some nuts for it. So these will get mocked up tomorrow. So this is like a really cool visual from factory fender, rear fender, to the brand new shorty fender, bobber fender, whatever you want to call it. This is the one from Rick's. About to go on the bike for mock-up. Alright guys, so this is the first time I put it on the bike. Take a look. Looks amazing. It's probably gonna look close to how it's gonna be when it's on the ground, but let me just show you what I'm about to do, because I don't have a camera person. So here's the situation. So this is the brace, the seat brace, factory seat brace. This whole thing needs to come off, all right? And then we have to shim the inside of this to land flush on the mounting ports, all right? So here's where it gets mounted on both sides. But in order to get it in, this whole thing has to come out, and then there's a supporting bracket right here that they did send with the kit. And what I am going to do again is I'm going to record, but you're not going to be able to get this view. I don't have a camera on the ceiling, But I'll show you what I'm talking about, right? So again, this bracket right here has to go. And then I have to put a small bracket here to hold up the ECU, which is right back here. All right, and you'll see what I'm talking about once I'm done. Alright, so as you can tell, the big bracket is now gone. Put the adapter plate sent from Rick's. Now we're going to work on getting the shims and lining up the seat. That's what you'll see next. All right, my peeps, the rear fender is on. All right, you can tell this is how it looks. Now under here, here's that bracket that we got from Rick's. Shims are on there. It's not torqued down to specs yet, but I want to put it down on the ground just to see how it looks with the suspension all the way down. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna bring it down. Look at this. Ooh. Obviously, we are still in mock-up stage. Just want to get a feel for how it's going to look later. I'll get the seat on for tomorrow. I still got to go get some nuts for the front fender, which is sitting right there. And I wanted to give you a preview of what's coming. Look at that. I'm gonna need to find a solution for the license plate. I know that they have them to go right there on the axle nut. And I want it to go vertical. So I'm gonna go see a buddy of mine and see if he can hook me up. But it's looking all right, man. Check it out.